At dahil nga nag-trending itong fully furnished move-in ready home natin, I'm gonna show you again why this is worth buying and watching for. Hi, I'm Kiara Pepito Sabido, and if you're still looking for a fully furnished home that is move-in ready near Airport, Makati, and Alabang, then this is your sign already to achieve your home goal this year 2025. So, continue watching. Ang ganda talaga ng unit na to, and yes, fully furnished na ang turnover nito. So, kung anong nakita mo in this house tour video, this is the actual turnover na marireceive mo during the move-in period. In this unit, you have a floor area of 304 square meters on a lot area of 186 square meters. Of course, may provision ka for 1 to 2 carport for a family-sized vehicle. Upon entering, may elevated porch ka, at ang kagandahan nga dito, naka-smart lock system na ang ating main door. We have a huge receiving area, and ang ganda ng pagkaka-interior talaga dito sa ground floor. Well layouted, open space ang ground floor, and lahat ng furnitures and fixtures here in this house tour video is included in our turnover already. You have a double high ceiling with modern design chandelier and window glass at living area. Carpeted na rin ang living and dining area with sintered stone dining table, good for 8 people. For your formal kitchen, you have built-in soft close cabinet, oven, 3-burner cooktop with range hood, and our side-by-side Hafele refrigerator. Bongga kasi kasama na rin ang water purifier with hot, normal, and cold water by Nanotech, microwave, oven, and a pantry cabinet. Bawat area ng unit ay may accent ang mga ceiling, and this door will lead you to your service area. With access na to from the garage area, perfect lalo na after the grocery shopping. For your informal kitchen, of course, furnished na rin tayo with your 2-burner gas stove, lying area, kasama na rin dyan ang water tank natin with 1 horsepower motor pump, washer dryer, front load inverter Samsung brand, and of course, centralized water heater for toilet and bath and kitchen sink. Storage room ka na rin for your household items, and of course, your maid's room with their own toilet and bath, kaya wala ka na talagang iisipin. Now, heading to your lanai area, which can also be an extension of your dining area. Dining server can also pass through here with open roofing so that proper ventilation can easily pass through the unit. Lighting door is made up of UPVC high quality material. By the way, kasama na rin ang 6 CCTV camera with 2 32 inches TV monitor sa kitchen and master's bedroom. And kasama na rin ang PLDT internet with an option for you to upgrade upon turnover. And here's our guest room sa ground floor with furnished toilet and bath and floor-to-ceiling height cabinet. With built-in headboards na rin tayo, kaya naman mattress and also bed frame na lang talaga ang i-add mo dito. Even vanity and study table is already included sa package natin, kaya naman wala ka na talagang iisipin. And here you have your powder room for your guest access. Wala ka nang iisipin sa unit na to.